Hello, this is Michael at the Library Lounge at the Stonehurst Manor, and today's cocktail is the Lefleur. The Lefleur has 3 ingredients: Hendrick's gin, an incredible gin that has a little of infusion of cucumber and rose petal. It's just amazing. The second ingredient is Saint Germain. Saint Germain is an elderflower liqueur. It's crisp, it has some sweetness to it, and just great in cocktails. And the last ingredient for the Lefleur is freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. So again, we're going to do probably a 7 count of the Hendrick's gin. And again, a 7 count of the Saint Germain elderflower liqueur. And then we are going to squeeze our grapefruit juice. The fresh grapefruit juice really makes the Lefleur the cocktail that it is. We have guests come into the Stonehurst Manor who just, as soon as I see their faces, I know it's a Lefleur. And the fresh grapefruit juice is just amazing in this drink. Roll that. Shake it up. And right now we're using sort of a pink grapefruit, which gives the Lefleur just a really beautiful color. And that is the Lefleur. It's awesome.